Honor Band A2. So I have been using this band for more than 3 weeks now. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the review of the Honor Band A2. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Let's start the review with the build quality of the band. The band is made out of soft silicone material which has grooves which according to Honor reduces sweat due to wearing the band. The lock-in mechanism is very good and it did not fall off my wrist a single time. The Honor logo in the belt is a nice touch. The belt has a nice pattern which makes the band look premium. The whole device is made out of plastic which is of good quality. There are chrome colored rims around the display. Overall, the Honor Band looks and feels far more premium than other bands in this segment. The Honor Band A2 has a 0.96-inch OLED display which is moreover touchscreen. Now, a whole touchscreen band is first in this segment. The touch response works really well and serves the purpose. The display itself is good and is bright enough to be legible in daylight. Now coming to the rear of the band, it has heart rate sensor and a magnetic charging port. Okay, so the way the charger fits in is good and easy to use. Now let's come to the performance of the device. The device has been fairly accurate in tracking my steps every day. When it comes to fitness bands, it's not about how accurate it is, but it is about how consistent it is. Now let me explain this. If your band counts one step as 3 and is consistent in doing so, it's considered good in terms of a fitness band. But if it is inconsistent, even if it is more accurate sometimes, the consistent band will give you better results than the accurate band in the long run. The part of the band I was not happy about is the heart rate sensor. The heart rate sensor gave me weird results sometimes. It is fairly inaccurate and I can tell. The phone app is pretty basic and has all the basic features but lacks a fair amount of customization. The band is water resistant, but the packaging does not say anything more. But I used the band while taking a shower and it did not have any issues. You can for sure take a quick swim with the Honor Band A2. The way the band handles notifications is really good. The band takes full advantage of the larger display. It displays the notifications from your phone when it is connected to the phone. The notifications not only include the name of the app and icon but also detailed messages. For example, you'll get to read complete WhatsApp messages in your band itself. It has an alarm function and sedentary activity reminder. The vibration of the band is strong and will wake you up from the deepest of the sleeps. So now for the conclusion, the band is priced at $35 or 2249 Indian rupees. And yes, it offers way more you would expect in terms of a fitness band in this segment. It brings in some segment firsts like the full touch display, the premium finish, etc. Yes, it has its share of flaws, but the price cancels those out. So if you're in the market for your first fitness band and want to get your fit life started, this is the best band you can buy in this price segment. So that was pretty much it for the review of the Honor Band A2. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. This has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.